Now, it's been a little over a week since the first coronavirus death in Washington state was the first in the nation. Now, taking a look at the new numbers, 16 people have now died from the virus. 87 others have tested positive for coronavirus in Washington state. That is the most reported cases of any other state in the U.S. So in addition, King and Snohomish counties, Clark, Kittitas, Pierce, Jefferson, and Grant counties have all reported at least one positive coronavirus case. So we're expecting an update today from the nursing home that has become a central focus in the Western Washington coronavirus outbreak. That virus has already killed more than a dozen residents at the Life Care Center in Kirkland, and that is where King 5's Callie Greenberg is live this morning outside the building with the very latest. Callie, what do we expect to hear today?
So starting yesterday and for the foreseeable future, they're going to start giving us daily updates about what's happening here at the Life Care Center, how the people are doing inside of this facility, because for about a week now, all of us from the outside have really been seeing is just people transported to the hospital. So what we learned from yesterday's update, and we'll get a follow-up today, but what we're learning is now there are about 30 federal officials that are here at the building helping them contain this outbreak. They also now have tests to test people inside the building for coronavirus before they had to transport people to the hospital. But so far, what we know is that 13 confirmed cases. There have been 13 residents who have passed away from coronavirus, and right now there are currently tests for 11 other people who have also passed away in recent weeks to see if they too had coronavirus. As of yesterday, there were 63 residents still inside the facility. They are being kept in isolation in their rooms, and 6 of those residents were showing symptoms of coronavirus. Now, a spokesperson said when a resident begins to show acute symptoms of the virus, that's when they're transported to a local hospital.
Our experience with this so far has shown that the virus is volatile, unpredictable. We've had patients who, within an hour's time, show no symptoms to going to acute symptoms and being transferred to the hospital. And we've had patients die relatively quickly under those circumstances.
So that spokesperson also praised the healthcare workers who for several weeks have been inside of this building taking care of these residents who are showing symptoms for coronavirus. And we're hearing that the Life Care Center has about 180 employees that they work with. And they say right now about 70 employees are showing symptoms of coronavirus and are possibly self-quarantining at home. So like I said, we know that they now have tests here to test inside the building. We know some federal officials are helping them contain this outbreak, and we are expecting these daily updates because, frankly, a lot of people around the nation are just wondering, how are the people inside this building doing? So today at 1 o'clock, we're expecting another update from the Life Care Center. But for now, live in Kirkland, Callie Greenberg, King 5 News.
Callie, thank you so much for being out there for us this morning. And new overnight, Everett Public Schools will close Woodside Elementary School tomorrow and Tuesday over coronavirus concerns. The Snohomish County Health District says a student there is showing coronavirus symptoms, and that student has a parent who did test positive for the virus. The plan is to reopen the school on Wednesday. And some other schools to mention for you. We learned late last night that a Tacoma Public School, Mary Lyon Elementary, will shut down tomorrow and Tuesday for cleaning. The district learned a staff member has tested presumptive positive for the virus. It is believed to be the first known case of coronavirus in Tacoma. These join the list of several schools canceling classes moving forward. And new information on the outbreak is coming out every day. We know it's coming at you on your phone, everywhere you look. So King 5 is committed to keeping you informed with the facts as we get them. And even if we're not on the air, you can always get the latest online. All you have to do is text the word virus to 206-448-4545 for a direct link to our landing page, which easily lays out all the information and facts.